Here is a tour of our accommodations. This is what $87 a night will get you on off-peak in Rome in middle January. First we got the kitchen. Full kitchen, refrigerator, oven, microwave, all sorts of gadgets and gizmos, and a quick outside the window. The back. This is the living room with the TV. Moving into there's a wall of cabinets on this side, good closet size. In the middle, a full dresser, some extra sheets. And the left side has some cleaning supplies, so I won't open that up. Plenty of storage. And the bedroom, with a view out to the street. We feel this accommodations price is right in line for off-season, and right here we're in the Jewish Ghetto. It's very close to centrally located places. Certainly worth the